Hi, my name is Zach, and welcome to Alva Beauty Collective, San Diego's newest beauty school located in Lemon Grove, and I'm excited to tell you about our Barber program. Here at Alva Beauty Collective, we have a unique position where we want to focus on technique first. And so the way we accomplish that is that we do your 1,000 hours in a hybrid method. 50% is done online, and the other 50% is done in person. For the in-person, you'll be coming 3 times a week for 4 hours each day, and during those 4 hours, you'll focus specifically on technique and practical experience. That gives you the opportunity to learn and know what to do, so when you get into the workplace, you're confident that you can do the job. The other 50%, the theory, happens online, at home, at your pace. This gives you the opportunity to still keep up with activities, work, and other things that you have going on. So it's a program that accommodates to your schedule and focuses on technique first to make sure that you're gonna be a successful barber. If you've reached out to us, we're gonna be giving you a call soon. If you've yet to reach out to us, check us out on Instagram or on our website, and feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to give you a call and answer any questions you have.